have a Ford Connect van that was originally just a panel van inside, which we've converted to a camper. Inside the front, you'll see we have a Evor fridge, which is 2 compartments, fridge and a freezer. She's bungee corded there, opens from the top like that, and yeah, can all be controlled by an app or controls on the display. Moving along then to the back here, side door, get a view of that. So starting off, here are your switches, which are all on dimmers. You have 2 zones. You have 4 lights up above in one zone, and then you have another zone over here, which are lights in the panels on LED dimmers. So if you want to come out there and I'll just jump in. So starting off at the front here, you have your sink, cubby hole here which has your clean water, your grey water, and a gas stove that can pull out and be set up anywhere, all bungee corded in. To operate the sink, you have a foot pump here and your sink, and you just push it and you have your water. Okay, these are all herb spice rack, and so yeah. Moving to the front, we have a big shelf that runs the whole way forward, which has lots of storage, for clothes, everything you need. There's a blind here and a roller blind because the customer wants a projector. He has a portable projector that you can use that as a screen. Okay, kind of moving back to the middle compartment. This is where the power unit is. Inside here we have an EcoFlow Delta Mini, which has can supply 12 volt and 240 to a strip that's here with lots of extra sockets. That is powering everything. I think it has 885 watt hours of battery life. Then here is some pull out drawers with just miscellaneous things, and a little tray here for an iPad or something like that. When you're charging it, you can stow it away there. So moving back along then, this is the mattress. It's a trifold mattress, memory foam, that is in couch mode at the moment, all at the back, and that will extend out all the ways up to the front and consuming up the full floor pan of the van. Okay, so we'll move on to also here we have some shelves for just to put your shoes. You can store them in there, multiple pairs of shoes, and hang up your coats here and stuff. So we'll move back to the back now, and I'll give you a look in there. There's also a max air fan on top, which can suck in or blow out the air and regulate the temperature. So moving along to the back then, open up the 2 doors. So starting off from here, I suppose this is a kind of a backboard slash recliner for the couch. When you sit in the couch and like you can slide forward, you get a good inclination and add support to the back of the mattress there, which makes it very comfortable. This will also, if you push the mattress down into a flat configuration, you can use this as a table. So there's a little stowaway pole here that comes out, and this flip up into a table that can be used outside on the good days. There's plenty of good work surface there to do as you please. So stowing that away. On the left hand side here we have our fire extinguisher and our carbon monoxide alarm. Going on to here we have the controller for the max air fan and a controller for the diesel heater, which I will get to in a little bit. This table here will also stow away. So just remove the pillow there, so the mattress folds up nice and flat at kind of counter height over here. And if you see this table, we can 2 spring latches, release it, and can be put up on top of the mattress, giving you another workspace that you can use from inside. You can sit on a stool or just on your pillow, and you have a nice big counter space inside in the van.
Oh.
And that can come back to the back and give more room as you wish. Okay, so I'll put that back into bed mode because we will be showing you bed mode in a little bit. You can see there's a bit of artwork on this board. This is kind of a piece of art of an eye, and you have here an engraved piece of text that says designed and crafted by Julian Hayes, which is myself, PJ Hayes, another person involved in the project, and Lawrence Enright, another builder of the project. So we'll stow this back. So these are all on spring latches that just clip in, which allow for the pivoting. And so now I suppose what we might go through is just show you the diesel heater, which is in this back compartment here, which opens down, and that's where the diesel heater is located, all plumbed to outside of the van for your exhaust, your air intake, and the fuel is connected to the main vehicle diesel tank. And there is your vent then blowing out the hot air, which can be rotated and directed in any direction. So then we will move on to putting it into bed mode, I suppose. So I'll do that now.
Yeah.
So to get her into bed mode, it's as easy as flipping down that section and flipping up this section here. And let's just put away the pump. Fixing your bed sheet. Fixing your bed sheet, pillow up, so that's kind of your headboard when you're in the van, and she consumes up the full length of the floor pan in the vehicle. The idea with putting the hinges on the bottom of these cupboards is that you can still gain access when you're in bed mode, which is quite handy for getting into your EcoFlow to charge devices or whatever. Then on this side, which we didn't get to yet, there are some sliding cupboards with doors. You can store plenty of food or other electrical items in it, like so. The bed can be configured in a multiple of ways. The last third section can actually be brought up and pushed back onto that pivoting headboard to give you kind of an inclined bed, which is very nice and comfortable when you're watching your projector here. Okay. And yeah, I think that's us signing off for the moment.